Hello everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Virgos for October 2018. I hope you guys like my spread out here. I've actually grown all these pumpkins myself, and I'm quite proud of myself for that. Alright, so just to jump right into it, we have a lot going on, switching around for October, but you know what? Emotions are going to run deep, but we're just going to use it to our advantage, okay? October 5th, Venus is turning retrograde in Scorpio, okay? This is going to definitely have an effect on your love life, your sex life, your creativity. You know, you kind of get the point with that. It might be a little chaotic, but during these retrogrades, I keep telling you guys that this is the time to kind of look back, okay, on your relationships. Are they working for you? It kind of just makes you take a second and really honestly look at them, you know, business, career, and, you know, do they really serve you? And when I say general reading, guys, this is going to be your love life, your career, your soul story, what's going on for October. Okay, so on the 8th, October 8th, we have a new moon in Libra. Okay, new moon, new opportunities. This could be for business related. This could be a new freelance project, perhaps a part-time job, you know, getting a job in a career that you truly enjoy and love. So yeah, new moon in Libra, new opportunities. We're going to embrace that, okay? Like I said, the retrograde in Venus, we're not going to let that affect us, okay? We're just going to use it to our advantage and really just kind of look on our friendships, our relationships, our business relationships, and ask, you know, are they really productive? You know, on both ends, is making sure nobody's a leech or everybody has the best intentions, okay? All right, October 9th, we have our ruling planet. When I say we, I'm a Virgo too, for some of you who don't know. Mercury is entering Scorpio, all right? So this is going to have a different feel. Emotions might run deep, okay? Because Mercury, your ruling planet, Mercury, you know, it controls communication, you know, reaching out to others. In Scorpio, which Scorpio is a new chapter in life, a new beginning, death and birth, okay? So emotions might run deep during that time, but this is just until November 16th, okay? So just brace your time for that. Or I'm sorry, until October 31st. October 24th, we have a full moon in Taurus, all right? So that energy is going to perhaps bring some news. It could be sudden. It could be about your spiritual beliefs, your education, maybe even your worldly views, how you think about your government, okay? It might just change the way that you think about things, all right? Okay, so on the 31st, Mercury is now slipping into Sagittarius, okay? During this time, you might open up your home to be the place of gathering for co-workers, friends, family, like-minded individuals, okay? If you are starting in a project, maybe this is where the headquarters of your project is going to be, in your house. All right, so that pretty much sums it up for all the energies that are going on around this time. Just looking over my notes real quick, sorry guys. But yeah, hey, if you like my pumpkins, comment below. You know, I worked hard to grow these guys. No, actually, they just really took off on their own. But, you know, I figured it'd be nice for my layout here. All right, so for October 2018 for my Virgos, your ruling planet is Mercury. All right, you guys are ruled by the 6th house, service to everyone, all right? The community. And you know what? It's funny because this card just popped up as I was saying that. You have the 10 of Pentacles. You could see that there is some type of community and gathering. And regarding finances too, because this is in the 10 of Pentacles. So there is probably a freelance project or a new creative project, something that, you know, that you're inspired by, maybe some local theater, something is really coming your way, or that you're already a part of with like-minded individuals, okay? All right, so that's a great card to have. 10 of Pentacles, all right? There will be some type of networking, or maybe getting along with coworkers more and having a raise. All right. So you have the Knight of Swords upside down. So there was a place, you know, where you were kind of approaching things a little hectic, not really seeing things long term. Perhaps this could be your love life, jumping into relationships that, you know, weren't really for you. And if you would have took a second to look at it, you would have known that that's somebody you don't really want to be tied to. But you know what? It changed, because now you have the Knight of Swords in reverse. So no longer are you jumping into relationships quickly, all right? No longer are you Tinder dating or whatever that might be, okay? You have kind of taken a step back and realized that those haste decisions, you know, moving forward, look, you can even tell that knight's horse is just like, what are you doing? We changed that, okay? So now we have that in reverse. So now you've kind of grown up and you're in a different chapter in your life. You know, whether if you've cleaned up the mess that you've done like this, you know, I don't know. But now you kind of know to slow down, all right? Especially with all these retrogrades that have been going on, and now we're entering a Venus retrograde. So if you don't have the ability to slow down and think of things in this direction, okay, if you're still kind of racing forward, you know, you don't know what's ahead of you, but you're kind of just going at it because you think you want it. If you don't have that ability yet, maybe this card is telling you to not make any haste decisions, in stone decisions, while Venus is in retrograde, okay? Because that could be a big mistake. Emotions run deep. The retrograde does not only affect you guys, it affects everybody. Okay, and if you are seeing a Taurus, guys, okay, their ruler is in fact Venus, so they might be extra on the fritz. All right, so we have the Five of Wands that just flipped over. All right, so there is some type of relationship somewhere. This could be regarding your siblings, your friends, co-workers, the person you're dating, how your family, you know, how you're living your family life, your immediate family life, that needs to change. You guys are just not quite getting it, all right? There's a lot of miscommunication, lost in translation, missing the point of things that's going on. I mean, you could tell that, you know, nobody's really dying here in this card. Nobody's bruised, nobody's bleeding, everybody's all right. But for the most part, you know, you guys got to get your shit together, all right? Got to get your shit together. All right, so once you guys have learned to figure out what it is that you need to work on, and you know how to work on it, then you can move forward, all right? But don't be that mess, okay? Don't be this mess right here. You know, you guys got to be have your shit a little bit more together, okay? Let's try to build whatever it is. You know, they could be playing a game. As some readers see it, they could be building a house. Whatever it is, it doesn't look neat and well prepared, like they had a blueprint. So whatever it is, that could be your project. Maybe you're not getting along with a coworker. Whatever it is, it needs to be resolved. Okay? All right. So you can see that the horse here in this reading here, I'll bring it a little closer because I know my setup isn't that great this month. You can see that the horse is in the direction of this networking, this group, this community, this family, okay? So you need to approach this not with a short fuse, not with too deep emotions. You need to get it together, okay? All right. I'm feeling one more card. And then I'm also doing something special this month. Oh my, look at that. So yeah, so I keep stressing, get your shit together with your group, your community, your family, your relationship, whatever it is. You know why? Because you got the Two of Cups just waiting for you. There is some type of unity waiting for you. Once you hash over whatever is leaving you unsettled, there is people, this is a relationship that works, okay? This is finding somebody that works. This is making your marriage work. This is unity with your coworkers. This is signing a contract, perhaps buying a house. Something around the corner is beautiful and waiting for you, Virgo. So, okay? I'm very happy that you have this in your reading, because I'm a Virgo too. No, but seriously, we need to get through this more organized in order to have the Two of Cups, guys, okay? The Two of Cups is one of the best cards to have, in my opinion, in your reading. All right, especially if it's regarding business, you know, a relationship. The Two of Cups, you can see that it's a young woman and a young man. They're exchanging vows. Some people see this as a signing of a contract. All right, beautiful card to have. All right, I love it. All right, so for what I'm doing different, 'tis the season, Halloween's coming up for some of you who celebrate that. I am going to pull one card from a deck that I haven't used for you guys yet, ever. But it's a really beautiful card. It has, to me, a gloomy, kind of eerie feel to it. Vintage Wisdom Oracle. Okay, these cards are really nice. They kind of have like a very Victorian, gloomy, gothic pinup look to it. It's very nice. Very beautiful illustrations, and they come with one word on it. It could be a feeling, a direction, something you need to conquer in life. But I'm going to pull one card from these guys so you can even see this is the back of them too. Very beautiful. All right. I'm going to pull one card. One card. For some reason, I feel like I need to show you this one. Like, I just had a pulse to just show you what was the bottom of the deck, and it just so happens to be nature, which I know my Virgos, you guys are earth element, and look how beautiful that card is. When I said gorgeous, gloomy, gothic, Victorian pinup, I was not lying. That is beautiful. But yeah, you guys need to, hey, maybe go out and pick your own pumpkins, okay? Do something outside before it's too late and it's winter. I don't want to say too late, because you can go out when it's wintertime. But you know what I mean. When it's warmer, it's a little bit more enjoyable for you. You can take off those shoes and not freeze off your toes while grounding. So yeah, I didn't even really shuffle that card. I just had a strong feeling to show you what was the bottom as an example of how beautiful the illustrations are. So yeah, I guess you're gonna get two cards, because I'm still feeling it. I'm still feeling the pull. You know, for some of you guys who are interested in reading cards yourself, you really gotta go with your gut feeling. A lot of people are intimidated at starting reading, but honestly, you just got to start, and you got to go with your gut. Always go with your gut. All right, guys, this card popped out. We have celebration. There is something in life that you just need to stop what you're doing and celebrate. Okay, this could be a birth of a new child. Perhaps you enrolled yourself in a tech school or college that you need to step back and be like, wow, I'm a college student. Maybe you got a new job. Maybe you're retired. There's something going on in life that you just need to celebrate. Perhaps just the simple things, Virgo. Okay? Look how beautiful this card is. If you guys want to book a private reading and ask for these cards, just let me know. I do have a large collection of cards that you can pull from. I have angels, fairies, the original tarot, native spirits, animal spirits. I got cards all over the place. So, and this is just one deck that I have not used personally for my videos online. And I just love the illustrations. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. Maybe your animal spirit is a butterfly, perhaps. I don't know. I focused in on that card a lot. All right. So there you go, guys. That is your reading for October 2018, my lovely Virgos. I'm trying to have stuff posted a little bit earlier. I had a black mold issue in my studio. So I had to obviously take care of that. I kind of got sick taking care of that too as well. I'm a little bit better, kind of coming down with another cold, but you know, I'm coming around to it. I'm trying to get out to my readings as much as possible. I thank you guys who have been following me for a while for your patience. It's been pretty hectic the last month. You know, hey, I'm a fellow Virgo, so all those retrogrades kind of had me in a front too. All right, guys, but thank you for tuning in. If you want to comment below, I am quick to respond, as well as I have a Facebook if you want to go ahead and follow that. If not, go ahead and email me if you want to get in contact for a private reading, guys. I love hearing from you. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful October.